Senior advocate Khaidem has asserted that handing the case to NIA cannot resolve a Thronglaubi attack. Government must carry out surgical strike against the terrorist who committed the heinous bomb attack in Thronglaubi. Khaidem was speaking on the sideline of a sit-in which was jointly organized by All Manipur Bar Association and High Court Bar Association of Manipur at Uripok Jairap Court Complex today. Speaking further, Senior advocate Khaidem said terrorists need to be brought to justice by carrying out a massive combing operation and by conducting a surgical strike.
Ani subada CRPF na matung kandala protester singal lumai ka CRPF ki firing cha machi maram cha da banina machi commission of inquiry 1952 ke makada judicial inquiry tauba ai ba ani cha machi het thabuk tu thokpada aduga loina na leiki draba choktu singi tokum thokdo sarkar na torba kandada tongan wakat me pam rally tauri bakula mangasya khalude warsu kanmanangani.
On the other hand, President of All Manipur Bar Association, Chakpram Bimol Chandra, expressed dissatisfaction on government for failing to give justice to victims who have lost their lives in a conflict which started on May 2023. He added that citizens have been denied fundamental rights of free movement and dignified life as communities cannot access national highways and sacred sites such as Kaubru Hill and other places. He also informed on the plan to bring the matter to notice of High Court of Manipur or Supreme Court.
Right to religion, koi Kaubru karaga, Hangjing karaga like for Mangamutaravan. A koi Manipur say, Manipur is the right to move koi Handamten right say, Kunga Narga Lady Ravaneva. Army lane in the Kuchapungum Disiki way. When a Queen Ibra, when we knock to the Brava. Karamba, Lebak, Nitin of the Kukandre. Maduki, a koi Singasiki, Rizul Logani, Rizul Loraga, a koi High Court and Nikange, Supreme Court and Nikange, a koi Chatpaya.